Hello everyone. Today, the marketing tool channel is back. Introducing a software to everyone. Helps us automatically mass post to all groups according to our needs.
To post a series of articles, I need three things. First is the list of Facebook groups to send to or group IDs. The second is the content you need to send. The third one is the Facebook account. Let me prepare it so I can send it. First is the list of Facebook groups. I use a tool to search for group lists. I go to the group scanning area by keyword. I will write the keyword I need. For example, here real estate business. The number I scanned here is 100 and now I choose to start the search. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds for it to return results related to the keyword real estate business. The data will have a keyword group name. Whether to censor content or not. There are group types that are public or private. And how many members there are. Then I can export it to an Excel file so I can control it. For example, here I go to the Excel file and this is real estate business. Here everyone can open it so I can control it easily. When I open the Excel file, I will see a list of this group with the group name. Is it public or censored? How many members? That's it, I found the group ID and now move on to entering the content. Enter the content and I will go to the Content Manager section. I add this content, select Attach Image if necessary. Choose any content here. For example, I need some content so I choose it here. Choose any content. Putting it here can make the title easy for me to remember, AD, for example. Select an image if you want to add it. More images can also be found up to 4 images. Then I save this and when I'm done saving the information, I can check again to see if my information is there. Have you checked your post yet? Yes, AD, this post can be checked or edited. Re-edit this comfortable content. Okay, now that I have the content, I can choose the Facebook account I need. Like this software, it can control it for you. For example, everyone can see it too. I have controlled here the number of 1,459 Facebook accounts at the same time. If each account allowed me to post about 2 posts, I could post to about 3,000 Facebook groups at the same time. After I have prepared these 3 things, I will go to the posting stage. Go to this viral marketing section and select this group post section. Now I will select the content I just composed. Selecting this content can select multiple contents. If I need to choose more than one content, I can choose. Or if I only need this one content, I can uncheck the other one and only leave one content. After that, I save this with the content. Now it's time to target the Facebook group lists. I choose this group. Delete the old group. Save the new group list here. After completing the group list, I select this Facebook account. This Facebook account has 68 accounts. If I allow each Facebook account to post in 10 groups, that means my total increases to 680 groups at the same time. I press start to let it run so everyone can see the results.